In this module, we'll dive into the real-world applications of prompt engineering. We'll learn how prompt engineering is transforming industries, from healthcare to education, marketing to software development, and why it's rapidly becoming a must-have skill in the age of generative AI. Let's get started. In marketing, teams are using prompts to generate ad copy variations, SEO-optimized blog posts, social media calendars, product descriptions. Imagine you're launching a campaign for an eco-friendly water bottle. A simple prompt like, write 5 Instagram captions for an eco-friendly water bottle launch, tone, playful, max 20 words, can return multiple polished options instantly. Sales teams now use LLMs to write hyper-personalized cold emails or follow-ups. By feeding in data like the recipient's name, company, role, and interest, you can generate outreach emails at scale. For example, generate a friendly follow-up email for a client who downloaded our white paper on AI in finance. This is transforming how fast startups scale communication. Busy executives use prompt-based tools to summarize 100-page reports into digestible insights. Tools like ChatGPT Enterprise, Claude, and Notebook LM can take internal documents, legal contracts, or meeting notes and provide bullet-point summaries, all through well-structured prompts. Education is one of the biggest beneficiaries of generative AI. Students are getting benefited from personalized tutoring with tools like Khanmigo from Khan Academy or ChatGPT to get personalized explanations. For example, explain the Pythagorean theorem in simple terms using real-life analogies, suitable for a 12-year-old. These models adjust tone, style, and depth instantly, a form of personalized microlearning. Educators can also prompt AI to give feedback on student essays, rewrite passages at different reading levels, create practice questions. For instance, give constructive feedback on this essay about climate change, grade level 9th. This doesn't replace teachers but enhances their efficiency. Doctors, researchers, and even patients are benefiting from LLMs in tasks like medical summaries and translation. They are using LLMs to convert clinical notes into plain language for patients, translate diagnoses into other languages. For example, translate this medical report into Spanish, keeping the terminology accurate but understandable for non-specialists. If you're a coder, prompt engineering is your new superpower. Gen AI tools are enabling code generation and debugging. GitHub Copilot, powered by OpenAI, uses LLMs to auto-complete code, suggest fixes, explain unfamiliar functions. For example, write a Python script that scrapes product prices from an e-commerce site and stores them in a CSV. It's like having a coding buddy who's fast, tireless, and multilingual. What about artists, designers, poets? They're using tools like DALL-E, Midjourney, and Runway ML for image generation. For example, create a surreal painting of a futuristic Mumbai skyline during monsoon season with cyberpunk elements. This would have taken hours in Photoshop. Now it's 30 seconds and a few prompt tweaks. Filmmakers use prompt-based tools to generate storyboards, animate scenes, write scripts. Even Hollywood studios are experimenting. The future of storytelling is being co-written by AI. Prompt engineering isn't just about knowing how to use ChatGPT, it's about thinking in systems, anticipating how a model will behave, and solving real-world problems with clear, creative instructions.